Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the 2025 Toyota 4Runner, one of the most iconic SUVs on the market. In this video, we'll discuss everything from its design and performance to the latest technology, pricing, and how it stacks up against competitors. Let's get started. Exterior styling. The 2025 4Runner maintains its rugged, truck-like silhouette that has made it a favorite among off-road enthusiasts. The bold front fascia features a striking grille and refreshed LED headlights that give it a modern touch. Durability constructed on a robust body-on-frame platform, the 4Runner is designed to withstand tough conditions, making it perfect for off-roading. Color options and trim levels. Toyota offers a range of eye-catching colors, from classic whites and blacks to more vibrant shades. With trims like the TRD Off-Road, TRD Pro, and Limited, there's a configuration for everyone's taste. Dimensions. In terms of size, the 4Runner offers a substantial presence on the road, with generous ground clearance that enhances its off-road capability. Cabin comfort. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious, well-designed interior. The layout is intuitive, with high-quality materials and comfortable seating for up to 5 passengers. Safety features. Safety is a top priority. The 4Runner comes equipped with advanced safety technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and blind spot monitoring. Cargo space. With ample cargo space, the 4Runner is perfect for outdoor adventures or family trips. The rear seats fold down easily, providing even more versatility. Technology integration. The 2025 model boasts an updated infotainment system featuring a larger touchscreen display. It supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making connectivity seamless. Performance and capability. Engine and powertrain. Under the hood, the 2025 4Runner is powered by a robust 4.0-liter V6 engine, delivering 270 horsepower and 278 pound-feet of torque. This engine ensures reliable performance whether you're on the highway or off the beaten path. Towing capacity. The 4Runner can tow up to 5,000 pounds, making it suitable for trailers, boats, or campers, perfect for those weekend getaways. Off-road prowess. What truly sets the 4Runner apart is its off-road capability. With features like multi-terrain select and crawl control, it excels in various terrains, from rocky trails to sandy beaches. TRD models. For those who want the ultimate off-road experience, the TRD Pro model comes equipped with advanced suspension systems, skid plates, and all-terrain tires. Pricing overview. Pricing for the 2025 Toyota 4Runner starts around $45,000 and can go up to $60,000 for fully loaded models. It offers great value considering its capabilities. Competitor comparison. In a crowded SUV market, the 4Runner competes with vehicles like the Jeep Grand Cherokee, Ford Bronco, and Chevrolet Tahoe. While the Grand Cherokee offers luxury and the Bronco focuses on off-road capabilities, the 4Runner stands out for its reliability and versatility. In summary, the 2025 Toyota 4Runner combines rugged design, powerful performance, and modern technology, making it an excellent choice for both off-road enthusiasts and families. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling tough trails, the 4Runner is built to handle it all. What do you think of the 2025 4Runner? Is it on your wish list? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive reviews and insights. Thanks for watching, everyone. I appreciate your support. Stay tuned for more exciting videos, and I'll see you next time.